Hi everyone, I'm Jen of Genetic Crafts. Welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to be working on customizing a shirt that I've been putting off for a while. I got this t-shirt back in November and I should have customized it then, but I chose to procrastinate and do other projects instead, like always, and we are going to work on this shirt for the rest of the week so I can get it done for Monday, because today we are working on this AJ Lee shirt. It is her first t-shirt design back when she came back to WWE last year. And I chose this shirt because I ordered two of them, and I wore the first one. I ordered like two of the same exact shirt, knowing that I'm going to customize it. So I have the yarn picked out already. I'm going to do something similar to what I did to this Jiren shirt that my husband designed. I made this for Anime Near NYC for last year in August. So that's what gave me the idea of making this similar to what this AJ Lee shirt is going to be. And this is a size medium, by the way. I like my shirts to be a little bit bigger. But the yarn I have picked out is I have this pink yarn. The brand I typically use is Big Twist. Originally from Joann's, but now they sell it at Michael's. This, I believe, is Loops and Threads. I don't know what the exact color is, but this is Loops and Threads gray. Same thing with the white. And this black, I believe, is Big Twist. I'm not entirely sure. But I have my crochet hook in here. I think I'm going to use a size 6. And I have my scissors in here also. And then to make the holes on the side of how I'm going to like crochet along the edges, I have this cutting tool I got from Amazon. I forget what this exact blade is called, but this is what I use to cut my shirts. So it's a little bit sharp, so you do have to be careful when you're working with, I think these are called rotary blades. I'm not entirely sure, do not quote me on that. I'm just kind of doing things as I go. Typically, how I do it. And I also have these t-shirt clips, or these clips you use. I got this from Michael's, I believe. I'm not entirely sure. But I have all of like my, I guess you can say my t-shirt design clips that I usually, my t-shirt design, like, supplies, there we go, supplies that I use for this DIY. But I am ready. I'm going to cut off the sleeves first, so that'll be the first thing I'm gonna show. It's gonna look really weird, but I'm also gonna cut off the edges first on the ends, so it's gonna be like a little cropped, but it's gonna look cute. I'm excited, and I want to do some other additives as well to the edges along the bottom. So even though I'm cutting off the edges, I want to add some like different types of crochet stitches on the edge. But we'll see how it works out. So I'm excited though. So let's get started on doing our first cuts. I probably should iron this, but I'm not going to, but because I don't feel like setting up the iron right now. It's like 8 o'clock at night, and my dad will be back home soon for me to get access to the set iron, so I will not be able to get it. Let's see. Yeah, we have two sides, by the way, so I'm gonna go by the front. I'm gonna cut the front edges first, I think. I'm just winging it. Like I said, I'm just winging this, so. We made the first cuts. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Okay, so this is what it looks like on the front. And this is the back. Ooh, this is cute. This is really cute. Okay. This is really, really cute. Okay. So now what I'm going to do is that I'm going to do the sides. I'm going to cut off the edges, like the sleeves. Oh my gosh. This is like so crazy. Okay. Oh my goodness. Okay. Oh my gosh. We're doing this. We are doing this. This is exactly what it looks like. I'm gonna show a different angle of it. Okay, here we go. Here is the cut edges on the bottom and on the sides. I think I actually did pretty good in terms of cutting it. Oh my gosh. Not bad. Not bad. I am not a professional, like, at all. So, eventually I'm gonna take off the sticker, but just not right now. But, oh my goodness. So yeah, look. It's completely cut off. This is pretty much a poncho now. This looks really cool. I'm really excited. So now my next step is to put holes along the edges here so I can start crocheting on the edge. Oh my gosh, I'm very nervous about that. I think I'm gonna do one edge at a time and see how long I can do this, but this is gonna be so fun. I should probably put it on and see how I like it first. Okay, so I will get demonetized if I literally turn to my sides, but this is how it looks when I don't know if you can see it, but this is how it looks when I have it. Like, I cannot turn to the side right now, but the edge of where it's coming towards, like right here, this is exactly the length that I'm looking for when it comes to a t-shirt. Love it. It came out so good, and now I'm going to, like I said before, I'm going to poke the sides with holes so I can make these stitches on the side. Okay, so I know you can't see them, but the holes are there. Sometimes you're gonna have to stretch the fabric a little bit so you can kind of see it. You're gonna have to stretch it a little bit, and then when you start crocheting on the sides, you're gonna have to possibly poke the holes again. Over here, the edges are very strange. You got this to worry about, so I'm probably gonna have to poke a hole like right next to the edge, but we'll see when that time comes. I'm thinking of starting with white. I definitely want to end on pink because majority of this shirt is pink, and I don't have that much pink, unfortunately. This is like the last of the pink that I found. I also don't have a lot of gray. I have plenty of black and white, but pink and gray I don't have a lot of, so I'm hoping that I don't have to go shopping to get more gray, but we will see. I have a couple more days. It is currently Tuesday, so I have a couple more days until I go to Raw on the 30th, which is Monday. So let's get this done. Okay, so progress has been made. I'm wearing a shirt underneath this time, so now I can show off what I have done. Okay, so I've done now both sides. I did a single crochet stitch along the edge, and then I am doing a mesh stitch. I'm doing a double crochet. I am chaining 3 and doing a double crochet and just doing it just like that. See, this is the back. This is what it looks like right now, so I like it. It looks pretty cool. I'm excited. The bottom, I haven't decided what I'm going to do on the bottom yet. I'm thinking of, I want to make like cool cuts or something. I don't know how I'm going to like do the edge part on the bottom. I might just leave it like this, but I'm not sure. We'll see how I feel when I'm done. I'm going to do the next few colors, and then we'll see where I'm at. Okay, so here is an update. We are officially 4 rows into it, and I looked back at my other shirt that I did, and I did 12 rows to make it look like that. So we still have about 8 more rows to go. So, and I have about 3 to 4 days left. I'm going on Monday. So I technically have all day Monday, even though I'm gonna be sleeping the majority of the morning. But yeah, I really have to get this done. and switching every row is a little annoying, but it's okay. We're gonna get through it. But so far, I'm really liking how it looks. I still don't know what I'm gonna do for the bottom yet. I know I'm going to make some tears up here. I might actually keep the sticker. I don't know. Make it look official, I guess. I don't know. But yeah, I might do some tears in the back too, but I'm not entirely sure what I'm gonna do yet. But yeah, this is officially what it looks like. I don't know how I'm gonna stylize it yet, like what bottoms I'm gonna wear with it. No clue. I have to check the weather for Monday. I haven't really seen much yet. Can't really tell from here. It's Thursday, you know? So anyway, I'm gonna continue, give you another update soon, hopefully. But yeah, I'm gonna keep working on it now. Okay, so I finished crocheting the rows, I think, for the shirt. I'm gonna try it on now. Look at it. I just have to weave in the ends, but I really want to try it on now. I kind of like it like this, but I don't know if I should actually weave in the ends. It kind of looks cool like that. I'm thinking about it, just leaving it like that. I'm thinking of probably weaving it just like maybe one more knot, and then I can just cut it off and then just like maybe make the edges a little bit like even. But honestly, I like the length of the sleeve portion. This is good. This is perfect, I think. But and then I want to make some cuts like right along here, maybe just to add a little extra flair. And then I don't know about the edge. I have no idea what I'm gonna do with the edge. I might just keep it because I don't want to extend it. Maybe I'll do like 1 or 2 cuts here. And then same thing on the back. I might do like 1 or 2 cuts on the back as well. So I'm gonna make some. I'm going to make some extra knots here, and then I'm just gonna keep some of the ends because honestly I kind of like the ends like this. I don't know, it just makes it look kind of cool. It's a lot different than the other one, but it's similar but not really. I really like it like this. This is really cool. Okay, let me finish up the last few touches and then I will maybe make an outfit because now I have 2 days left to finish this because today's now Saturday. So I have tomorrow, which is Sunday, and then Monday is the show. So I have to get this done. Okay, so I finished the shirt. So this is what it looks like beforehand. And now I'm going to show you the finished product. Ta-da! Here it is. So I added a couple rips and tears. I also put some added yarn things on it. Not many. I might add a couple more after this video, but I think I'm pretty satisfied with it right now. The rips and tears are pretty cool. I just literally just cut holes and I just kind of ripped it up a little bit. But yeah, here's the fringe. I didn't do anything to the back. I decided not to do the back because I just don't think it's necessary. I just think the front just is like the main show, and obviously the sides are, but this is my finished t-shirt poncho from the WWE superstar AJ Lee's line. This was her first shirt back when she came back from WWE. Came out super cute. I like it a lot. This is what it is on the back. Yay! And in the comments, let me know if you want a in-depth tutorial on how I do my rows. I'll more than welcome and do it. I don't mind. But for now, this is what I got. I'm gonna do another WB shirt probably for the next video, I am now inspired to do the rest of my shirts that are sitting in a pile that I've been wanting to do for a while. This is only my 3rd attempt actually doing this, so it looks really cool. So I'm pretty satisfied with the results. Like, I'm like really satisfied with the results, and I'm really happy, and I can't wait to wear this on Monday for my show at Madison Square Garden. Can't wait to watch Raw. I'm so excited. So anyway, if you enjoyed this video, please leave a thumbs up and also comment on it if you enjoyed, and if you want to see other shirts like WWE shirts, maybe nerd shirts you want me to customize. I have a couple of personal shirts that I have saved that I no longer wear, and also my husband also I saved from his collection as well. So that would be considered an upcycle. This is not considered an upcycle because I bought this from the WWE shop. I bought two shirts intentionally. So yeah, anyway, thank you so much for watching the video. I really do appreciate it, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye!